You don't have to stop at one game. With a combo or a dynamic path, you can join several games into one journey. A combo lets you combine any of your games, any number of them in any order, into one experience. For example, engage with a quiz, entertain with a memory game, and reward with a spin. The points roll into one shared leaderboard. Whichever way you chain them, build each game first. A journey references your games, it doesn't contain them. A combo plays your games one after another in a seamless sequence, published as a single link. A dynamic path is the same idea as a combo, but it adds visual steps on top, so players see where they are in the journey. Open a step on a date, unlock steps in sequence, or protect one with a password. Identify players by email or single sign-on, so they return and their progress and points persist. Use a combo for a quick engage, entertain, reward loop, and a dynamic path for a program across days, weeks, or months, like a digital calendar or a story. Points accumulate across every step into one leaderboard, with a weighting so the games compare fairly. What's your project? Think how it could become a journey, then build it on Drimify.